Morning, student. Today I discuss computer memory storage device. Today I discuss computer memory. Chapter number 2, class 4. Topic. Today this topic question answer. Question answer. Because I have already discussed in every such type of point in computer memory. My dear student, first number questions. Name two type of computer memory. Name two types of computer memory. My dear student, I have already discussed there are two type of computer memory. There are two types of computer memory. First memory, primary memory, and second memory, secondary memory. Secondary memory. Again, the primary memory is two type. Again, primary memory is two types. First, RAM, and second, ROM. RAM, random access memory. ROM, read only memory. This is the RAM and ROM. Second, secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called external memory. External memory. There are so many types of secondary memory. First, hard disk, CD, DVD, so on. This is the first answer complete. Name the two type of primary memory is also called internal memory. My dear student, please prepare to the fair copy. This is the first answer complete. Second answer. Write any two difference between RAM and ROM. Write any two difference between RAM and ROM. First, RAM, second, ROM. The first difference, RAM is called random access memory and ROM is called read only memory. This is the first difference. My dear student, the first difference, RAM is called random access memory and ROM is called read only memory. RAM is a volatile memory. RAM is a volatile memory and ROM is a non-volatile memory. This is the two difference. RAM is also called random access memory and ROM is called read-only memory. RAM is a volatile memory and ROM is the non-volatile memory. This is the two difference in the third question. What is the use of the secondary memory? What is the use of the secondary memory? The secondary memory. My dear student, every student know that secondary memory is also called secondary storage. Secondary storage. My question, what is the use of the secondary memory? Because it allow a user to store data. It allow a user to store data that may be instantly and easily retrieved transported and used by applications and services. This is the third answer. What is the use of secondary memory? So I have already discussed secondary memory, the secondary storage, because it allows to the user to store data that may be instantly and easily retrieved, transported and used by application and services. Today this is the last question's answer. Question number 4. Why flash drive is more useful than CD and DVD? Why flash drive more useful than CD and DVD? Why? My dear student, I have already discussed, but nobody can watch this video and nobody can ask the question. My dear student, first storage capacity. Every student make the answer the different way, but the same manner. Exact first storage capacity. Storage capacity. CD storage capacity 700 MB and DVD storage capacity 4.7 GB to 17 GB. No doubt. 17 GB, no doubt. And the flash drive. What is the flash drive? Flash drive means pen drive. Flash drive means pen drive. So flash drive means pen drive. This is the storage capacity 1 GB to 1 TB. This is the main, because I have stored to the huge amount of the large amount of the data, a huge amount of the data. So this is the use of the flash drive, is more applicable and easily and this is a small such type of disk and easily kept in this pocket, and any such type of a small to the small place I kept in the flash drive. This is the main difference why due to the further. This is the storage capacity. A storage capacity 1 GB to 1 TB. The huge amount of data, na? There are the 4 such type of question answer completed. The second chapter completed with MCQ, question answer, and all about point to the discuss. Thank you, students, so much.